How you all doing? Mr. D here for another math video. Tonight we're talking about Heron's formula. Yes, another way where you can find an area of a triangle. So let's check it out. Here's what we got. We have triangle A, B, C, and the accompanying sides, right? And so in some cases all we have are the side lengths, and we don't have all the angles. Now, this is a good formula if you're using this maybe in real estate where I have a measure of a building that I'm trying to construct and I want to know its square footage basically, but it's in the shape of a triangle. So it's hard to tell exactly what that square footage is. So what we do is we have the area is equal to the square root of S, right? That's an S, not a 5. S times the quantity of S minus A times the quantity of S minus B times the quantity of S minus C. So in this case, what this S is referring to is the 1/2 of the perimeter. So it's taking 1/2 the perimeter times 1/2 the perimeter minus each side and multiplying all those pieces together. And so 1/2 the perimeter, and if the perimeter is all the addition of the side lengths, A plus B plus C, that is our S. Okay, let's look at an example. Let's say we're given triangle A, B, C, and we have side lengths of A is 12, B is 16, and C is 24. And we want to know, well, with all these measurements and side lengths, what is the square footage in this particular area? I'm trying to design maybe some furniture to go in there, or if I want to rent some space out. Maybe you're familiar with the building that's in New York. It sits on the corner. Some of the rooms in there are triangular. If you go to some other places, you might find in a corner where I want to know some square footage. And if I can just get the side lengths, then you can estimate the square footage doing that. All right. So first we find the value of S, which is 1/2 of the perimeter. So we add 26 plus 16 plus 24. We divide that all by 2 and we'll get 26. Next, we're going to take that 26 and under the square root symbol, we'll take 26 times 26 minus 12, right? A, B, and C, 26 minus 16, and 26 minus 24. Now, one thing you want to look for in here is if you've ever set it up incorrectly and you get a negative value, well, you must have done something wrong, or your S is too small. Because if you get one negative under the radical, it turns it all negative under the radical, and that is something we just don't want to do. All right, so we multiply, we put all those together, and we multiply all that together, we get 7,280, and we get that is approximately 85 square feet. All right, so that is Heron's formula. It's awesome, and I hope you enjoy using it in the future for all of your triangular area needs where you don't have an angle. Okay, Heron's formula. Mr. D signing off. Thanks again. Have a great night.